Good morning, we are back again at Baskets Galore, and today we are talking about wedding gift baskets. So I have in front of me a recipe for marriage wedding hamper.
And I've got the Mr. and Mrs. wedding gift.
So we're just going to have a look at some of the products that we have picked for our wedding gift baskets and give you a few tips on how you can replicate or create your own wedding gift basket.
So we're gonna show you if you were putting one together
yourself, what kind of products
what our thinking
we
was.
recommend and what
and
we
you just
have done. Yeah, so we have quite a few keepsakes in this. We haven't gone for cheap things. This does say just marry, but it's expensive. It's wooden. It is high end.
You would retain it, wouldn't it? It would be a memorable souvenir.
Yeah.
You wouldn't like go, hey, I'm gonna dismiss with this. You know, it's sort of like sentimental, isn't it?
Yeah, sentimental. What else then have we got? We've got these mugs. So these are East of India Mr. and Mrs.
Let's get
mugs.
those opened up.
Let's see, and you've got the East of India egg cups there. So they say, this one says Mrs. and then...
Let's take a wee look at the bottom of that.
Where's the other one?
Okay, so we've got, these are made by East of India, which we really recommend if you see them in a little store around you, whatever, in the shops or whatever. They really just make very nice things and customize them and personalize them.
Then I have some apple juice here, hidden away.
Let's get this one out here.
Again, you don't need something
just something
sparkling apple juice.
Now you can add a bottle of wine or whatever if you want, but we tend to find it's not really necessary. But so we would put the sparkling apple juice in, but you can do whatever you like.
We have this recipe for marriage, so like a poem that you can frame and pop in. So ours, whenever we package it, come in an envelope to protect it as well, so it doesn't get damaged.
You can see those in all sorts of card stores and whatever, and they tend to be about £4 or £5 or something.
And then we've just put in some high-end food products. So we were just saying, if this is one of our smaller wedding gift baskets, if you were to create your own and you wanted something greater in size, you can add more food products. We do have quite a few non-food products in this, and I think that's enough to capture the sentiment of wedding. I think if you were to expand, add more chocolates, more, food.
Where do you stop? And you can do that, yes.
But that's probably enough wedding, because...
Yeah, for the purposes of this video, we're just sort of like showing it with chocolates or whatever, which would be the most associative, and then a bottle of something. So that would be the tens of things that people would expect to see into it, but you can then bring it out of that. You can add more biscuits, more chocolates, and whatever. You know what they like, or
tailor it right to them. For your...
We tend to find out that we tend to steer away from, like the spirits and the wines or whatever, because people have their own particular preference or whatever. So they are popular to send with maybe a bottle of red wine or whatever. That's the most popular one. But rather than a bottle of, say, whiskey or gin or something like that, it's not really tends to be popular. You tend to send that just as a single gift. We're just trying to be something which is that, there's plenty of people doing that. There's plenty of marketing at that.
More elegant.
Yeah, let's just do something a little bit different, and let's do something which doesn't revolve around alcohol. So in this one here, you can see what have we got? We've got another like a little East of India thing. Love isn't finding someone you can live with; it's finding someone you can't live without, which is kind of nice. I think I heard another expression which is like loving somebody is wanting the very best for that person, other than yourself, which is kind of unusual. And then we have what's this one here? I don't know
candles
what that is.
There.
Candles?
We've got 2 wee fragranced candles.
Really cute, isn't it?
Yeah, 2 ceramic candles.
You can scale it up as much as you want to do. Wrap it up, and anybody getting it is going to go, that's just really nicely put together. That's what we do as Baskets Galore. We solve problems for gifts when you are, for the awkward occasions. We vary the composition that's in it, and we tailor it because we produce them and make them, design them, ship them, do everything with them. We can make them exactly as you want, and this is our recommendations if you were making one from scratch yourself.